Hi guys, thanks for coming today. Today we are going to learn about how to say hello and what is this in Korean. Let's begin. 안녕하세요. Hello, how are you? 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 이름이 뭐예요? What is your name? 이름이 뭐예요? 이름 is name and 뭐예요 is what is. What is your name? 저는 이슬기예요. 저는 이슬기예요. My name is 이슬기. 배워봐요. 배워봐요. Let's learn. 안녕하세요. Hello, how are you? 안녕하세요. When you're saying hello to elderly people and want to say politely, we say 안녕하세요. But when you're saying hello to your friends, then we say 안녕. 안녕. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요 means goodbye to those who are staying. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요 is also goodbye, but it's for people who are living. 가세요. One is 계세요 and the other one is 가세요. 문법 및 표현. Grammar and expression. So 문법 is grammar and 표현 is expression. 이름이 뭐예요? What is your name? 이름이 뭐예요? What is your name? 저는 사라예요. My name is Sarah. 저는 사라예요. My name is Sarah. Again. 이름이 뭐예요? What is your name? 저는 스티븐이에요. My name is Steven. 누가 이야기해요? Circle 하세요. Who is speaking? Mark the correct answer. I'll call the name and you guys try to find the correct corresponding name. 강미라. 강미라. Go ahead. Yes. This one is 강미라. Okay, moving on. Steven. Yes, Steven is this one. 누구하고 이야기해요? With whom is the person speaking? 누구하고 이야기해요? 연결해 보세요. Match the persons. 연결해 보세요. 선생님이 사라랑 이야기해요. 선생님이 사라랑 이야기해요. So 선생님 is speaking with Sarah. And Sarah is the bottom one. And next, 민수랑 준영이가 얘기해요. 민수랑 준영이가 얘기해요. So 민수 is this, and 준영 is the top one. 이야기해 보세요. 이야기해 보세요. 이야기해 보세요. Please share it with your friends. First one, 안녕하세요. Then we say 안녕하세요. And when we are talking to your friends, we say 안녕 and we answer with 안녕. And he's asking for your name. 이름이 뭐예요? 이름이 뭐예요? Then I'll address his question by saying, I'm Daniel. 저는 다니엘이에요. 저는 다니엘이에요. Again, 이름이 뭐예요? 이름이 뭐예요? 저는 다니엘이에요. 저는 다니엘이에요. Up to here, we learned about how to say hello in Korean. 안녕, 안녕하세요. And we are moving on to how to say what is this in Korean. 이게 뭐예요? What is this? 이게 뭐예요? 이게 뭐예요? 이게 뭐예요? 연필이에요. 연필이에요. He's holding a pen and asking for what is this? And teacher is answering that's a pencil. 이게 뭐예요? 연필이에요. 저게 뭐예요? 저게 뭐예요? 시계예요. 시계예요. So 이게 is this and 저게 is that. 저게 뭐예요? means what is that? And 시계 is a clock. Let's learn some vocabularies. 어휘 or 단어. First one is a desk. And we say 책상. 책상. And next one is chair. And it's 의자. 의자. Blackboard is 칠판. 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 And clock is 시계. 시계. Bag is 가방. 가방. Eraser is 지우개. Pencil is 연필. 연필. Book is 책. 책. Notebook is 공책. 공책. Let's do a review. 문법 및 표현. Grammar and expression. 문법 및 표현. 이게 뭐예요? What is this? 이게 뭐예요? 연필이에요. It's a pencil. 저게 뭐예요? What is that? 시계예요. It's a clock. 뭐예요? What is this or that? 맞는 물건에 circle 하세요. Mark the correct answer. Okay, question 1. 책상. 책상. Yes, 책상 is this one. Number 2. 가방. 가방. Yes, 가방 is the first one. Question 3. 의자. 의자. Good. Good. It's the last one. And number 4. 칠판. 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 Yes, it's the first one. Recap. We learned how to say hello and what is this in Korean. 안녕하세요. 저는 데니엘이에요. 오늘도 같이 공부해서 감사해요. 다음에 또 봐요. Thank you guys. See you later. Bye.